Hi guys, the latest leak on Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is here. A post from famed Samsung leaker ISOCELL on Twitter claims that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a whopping 200-megapixel main camera, a holdover rumor from the early days of S22 speculation. This camera will supposedly then be optimized for several years. Please like this video if you are a Samsung phone lover. Let me know in the comment section what you are looking out for in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. So, many speculations have been doing rounds about this phone. The handset could reportedly have a Snapdragon chipset from the Galaxy S23 series. This smartphone brand has been using its Exynos chipset for S-series handsets in select markets. According to a well-known tipster, the Galaxy S23 Ultra could feature a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 system on chip. According to a recent post on his Weibo account, the tipster ISOCELL said the smartphone will come with a 5000 mAh battery and a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 system on chip. The upcoming Samsung S-series phone is about 228GB and is further speculated to be broad like the previous model released by Samsung. Samsung has not released any information about the phone till now. Reports confirm that the Galaxy S23 Ultra could feature unannounced 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 camera sensor. The new Samsung S-series phones are expected to be able to record 8K video at 60 frames per second. As for additional camera settings, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is expected to feature a 10-megapixel telephoto lens that is believed to offer 10 times optical zoom and will use the same sensor as its one-phone predecessor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.